here we go.
Up to, man.
What have I been up to? Damn, what a question.
A good question.
Ooh, yeah, I need to think about that for just a second, man. All right, well, I went camping recently. Camping, just out in the woods. That was fun. I left some fruit throughout the trip as offerings for the spirits of the region of the forest, which was nice. I brought like a gallon of a specially charged water, just for certain purposes, just in case I didn't need to use it, but um, gorgeous time, amazing trip. None of the insects or anything else bothered me, which was kind of funny. I mean, there were wasps, going around and stinging the dogs or messing with other people, but they kind of just stayed clear of me, which was nice. Wonderful trip. Oh God, what else? I started using wax as little charms and totems. Like I burned a green candle for this wolf thing I was doing, not just for me, but for a friend. And I left the wax out overnight and it hardened into these little teardrop shapes. So I collected them and I'm going to distribute them or use them for as little totems. God, what else? Gee. Well, recently I have I talked about the battery yet?
No.
I don't think I have. I made this battery of sorts. It's self-charging, hoopla hoopla, but the purpose of which is to contain a massive amount of energy using temporal manipulation to store, I don't know, let's say 50,000 years worth of pent up energy within 10 days of time. It was a process because I had to select the perfect housing, one that would meet not only the capacity requirements, but being able to fill out the exact envisionment I had in mind. Not only that, but formulating the mechanics that fuel it to also have the same effect. But it worked. It works great. And I use it in conjunction with this little piece I made that acts as an amplifier. It takes whatever current is going in, amplifies it, and uses it for whatever purpose. So I have a little circuit that I can use to fuel anything I do. Very nice.
Outstanding. Awesome.
Yeah.
How has
they
that
create-
been as far as practice goes? Have you noticed a difference as far as your manifestations go because you use this thing?
Well, the vast majority of my manifestations are always on point. Instead of using other various methods, using this is reliable. I haven't seen any issues with it, especially when used in conjunction with other items or methods. It's very, very efficient.
Outstanding. What would you give for people as pointers to set one of their own up?
Well, first is to find the correct housing object. You want something, you can run it through tests with divination just to see if it can meet the envisionment that you have with it. I find it much easier to use the preface of meeting the envisionment that you have because, it puts it into better words for you. But the creation of which is the construction of a plane within the object that acts as a generator for this construct. It's all, practical knowledge and imagination. But putting those two together with the creativity, you receive the final product.
Outstanding, man. Absolutely.
Practical magic and imagination. You just said the key word there, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Imagination.
Not to
Gotta
listen.
have that mind going, man. Got it.
Absolutely.
Love it.
Oh,
Congrats on your successes.
Of course. Thank
Yeah.
you. I appreciate that.
congrats